We've got two machines, both in about the same price range. We've got the GoldMaxx Power and the XP DEUS Lite. Now, to look at these two machines, you'd think the GoldMaxx Power is the best value for money. There's a lot more there visually. But let's have a talk about what these two machines can do. The GoldMaxx Power is what I call a traditional machine. It's a workhorse. It's not complicated, it's easy to use. You've got 3 silencer settings, 2 or 3 tone ID, an iron volume, an iron threshold, sensitivity and a ground balance. It's really easy to operate. But the DEUS Lite, there's a lot more involved. Inside this little box of tricks, we've got a GoldMaxx Power plus lots more. Now let's have a talk about what's inside this little box. The GoldMaxx Power runs off 18 kHz. The DEUS Lite runs off 18 kHz. But you've also got a choice of another 3 frequencies, and that's 4 in total. When you're buying a machine, you'll get a lot of people saying to you, you need a high frequency one. Some people say you need a mid frequency one. Others say go for a low frequency one because you're going to find the deep targets which other machines can't get. Well, there it is, 4 frequencies in one little module. 4 kHz, 8 kHz, 11 and 17. Simply accessed by a plus or a minus button. Batteries. The GoldMaxx Power runs off 8 AAs. The DEUS Lite's got a lithium ion battery. You get about 20 hours detecting to a 3-hour charge. The GoldMaxx Power is a one-trick pony. You get what you see. The DEUS Lite has so much more to offer. Inside that module you've got the GoldMaxx Power program, which is a factory preset. Along with that you've got another 9 factory presets, so that makes 10 in all. If you want to make any adjustments and save your favourite program, you've got 8 empty slots inside the memory. Simply press menu plus to save, menu minus to erase. So you've got a choice of 18 programs there. But it's not just technology, it's not just electronics. You've got to think about the weight. The two machines weigh so different. Now I'm going to weigh them just to let you see the difference. And you're going to be swinging these machines, so bear this in mind. Set of digital scales. We'll do it in kilograms. $880 grams, the DEUS Lite. Okay, let's try the GoldMaxx Power now. .58 kilos. That's twice the weight. So remember that when you're swinging in the field. The GoldMaxx Power is twice the weight of the DEUS and only has half the features. When you choose your DEUS Lite, you'll have a choice of 2 headsets. You've got the WS4s and the WS5s. It's just personal preference really, because they've both got the same features integrated in them. For some people they like to use the WS4s but with the traditional XP wired back phones. The module can come off of it by simply sliding it away. Then you put the adapter plate in and your traditional headphones. There's another thing you can use, is the wrist strap. The module just simply goes inside your wrist strap, it goes on your arm, so you can actively see the LCD VDI numbers as you're detecting, or make any simple adjustments. The XP DEUS WS4 headphones come in 2 parts. You've got the module, look after that, that's the expensive part. Then you've got the headphones themselves. If you break them, they can be cheaply replaced, so don't worry about them. And also at a later date, if you want to upgrade your DEUS to a full DEUS, just buy the control box, and you can mate them all together by simply entering the coil serial number into the control panel. So there's something for everyone with the XP DEUS. XPs are renowned for their fast recovery speed and their effectiveness working amongst iron. Now the DEUS Lite has a superior silencer compared to the GoldMaxx Power. We're going to do a little experiment now just to show you the differences between the two machines. As you can see, I've put 2 nails on the ground, but I've buried a small gold coin a little bit deeper, because in real life detecting, the targets, the iron, they're never in the same orientation, so we're trying to make this as lifelike as we can to try and mimic real field conditions. So let's try the GoldMaxx Power. I've got the silencer on 0, so I'm giving it the best chance it can get. Let's give it a go. Obviously the low tone is the iron. Iron, iron, gold coin. Normal sweep speed. So now we're going to try the DEUS Lite in the factory preset GoldMaxx Power mode, which is program number 2. Iron, iron, gold coin. As you can see, in factory preset mode, the gold coin is not detected. But the beauty of the DEUS Lite is we can go to program number 3, which is called DEUS Fast. And this is what utilises the advanced silencer. So let me show you how this advanced silencer works. Iron, iron, gold coin. Here we go then, normal sweep speed. And as you can see, what a difference that made. The DEUS Fast has a far more advanced silencer, a faster reactivity. It's going to let you work in between the iron. It's great for ancient sites because you can pick out those small targets nestled between nails. So that's just one reason to buy a DEUS Lite. Let's just run through the menu on the DEUS Lite. Pressing the menu button scrolls you through the menus. Program is the first one, P1, program 1, basic 1. Go down, you've got discrimination. Go down more, you've got the sensitivity control. Once more, you've got the ground control. Then you've got the frequency control. Then you've got the tone control. Now, with the DEUS Lite, you've got a choice of tones. You've got pitch, 2-tone, 3-tone, 4-tone, 5-tone, or full tones. So you've got a good choice there. Go down again, you've got a volume control. And again, you've got the coil button. Now, this allows you to accept different aftermarket coils. You just enter the serial number into the module and choose what coil you want. We've only got one coil for this machine, so we're on coil number 1. If you had another coil, you'd save that under number 2, and so on. And that's it. That's the features on the DEUS Lite headphone module. People ask me in the field why I've chose the DEUS Lite over the GoldMaxx Power. Well, the GoldMaxx Power has been a really good friend to me over the years. But I like the lightness of the DEUS. I like the cordless technology. I like the fact that you can change frequencies in the field to suit your sites. In a nutshell, technology moves on.